This presentation is about Schema Markup. Schema Markup involves implementing structured data to help search engines better understand the content on your website. Schema Markup is a semantic vocabulary of tags that helps search engines understand the meaning of your content. It creates an enhanced description known as a rich snippet that appears in search results. Here is an example of a schema markup in a JSON format. It has a context which is schema.org, type of data which is a product, the name of the product is premium coffee, and the price is $19.99. Schema Markup offers several benefits. Firstly, it enhances visibility by creating rich snippets in search results, which increases click-through rates and improves organic traffic. Secondly, it allows search engines to better understand the context of your content, improving relevance in search results and knowledge graphs. It also prepares your website for future technologies like voice search. Finally, it provides a competitive edge by displaying more detailed and structured information to search engines and users. There are several common schema types you can use. These include person for marking up information about an individual, article for blog posts and news articles, local business for businesses with physical locations, product for products you sell, event for upcoming events, and recipe for culinary recipes. Here is an example of a product schema which has a context, type, name, description, brand, and offers with price and currency details. There are three primary methods for implementing schema markup. The first is JSON-LD, which is recommended by Google and is separate from your HTML markup. The second is Microdata, which uses HTML attributes to mark up content. The third is RDFa, which is an extension to HTML5 for linked data. JSON-LD is generally preferred for its ease of use and separation from the HTML structure. Here are examples of each implementation method. To effectively use schema markup, follow these best practices. First, use the most specific schema type that applies to your content and provide detailed properties. Second, regularly validate your schema markup using Google's Rich Results Test and Schema.org validator. Third, mark up only content that is visible to users on the page. Lastly, maintain consistent schema markup across your website, using the same properties and structure for similar content types. It is crucial to test and validate your schema markup to ensure correct implementation. You can use tools such as Google's Rich Results Test, which is Google's official tool for testing structured data. Schema Markup Validator, which is Schema.org's validator for checking the syntax and structure, and Search Console, to monitor how Google processes your structured data. You should test your markup with Google's Rich Results Test to ensure compatibility, and validate the syntax and structure using the Schema Markup Validator. Check implementation across different page types for consistency. Monitor the results in Search Console for errors, and test regularly after website updates. Here are the key takeaways from this presentation on schema markup. Schema markup significantly improves your search engine visibility through rich snippets and enhanced search results. You can choose from JSON-LD, Microdata, or RDFa, with JSON-LD being the recommended format. Follow Schema.org guidelines and maintain consistency across your website while using specific schema types. And consistently validate your implementation using testing tools and monitor performance in Search Console. For next steps, start implementing basic schema types and expand to more specific schemas based on your content needs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.